Hi, my name is Ron Paragoris, and I'd like to demonstrate to you the light cycle's ability to operate various loads. For starters, we have a Harbor Freight and Salvage unadulterated jump start pack. And I just happen to have a 400 watt, 800 watt peak inverter that happens to be plugged into here. We're pretty much fully charged on this battery. It works terrible. If you look at this little LED over here, when I turn it on, this is a 4.5 amp motor. The thing barely gets it going. You'll see the red light go on and off. What I really wanted to demonstrate is a small refrigerator working. Not a chance. It was just too much initial load. But you see, finally this thing will get going, but it has no load capability. If I tried holding it back at all, it just will not operate very well. So anyway, operating an inverter on a jump start pack, this inverter anyway, is not a very feasible option. What I'm going to do though is I can charge a jump start pack. Here we have our KISS electrical system, 6-foot line cord, an adapter that I could plug in here. One thing we're going to do is we're going to use the integral voltmeter to see that we're charging. So let's operate this first. I'm going to jump on a light cycle, Mr. Wayne, if you don't mind.
I will do the honor.
Do the honor of pushing the button. Once it stabilizes, I'm going to start pedaling. There we go. And all of a sudden, did you show? Okay, I'm going to stop again. And you'll see that son of a gun, the analog voltmeter shows I'm stopped and I'm starting. I'm telling you, just from experience, I'm pedaling about 25 watts right now. Right now is about 50 watts, and this is nothing. So anyway, very, very, very feasible to just use a simple analog voltmeter to figure out what you're doing. Now to come to the other side of the equation. What I'm going to do is unplumb from our battery, and I'm going to run a couple of loads direct. Uh-oh, we have a plumbing problem over here. We got to figure it out. What I am going to do is building the Haiti trailer. I have a real problem using cordless drills. We have nickel metal hydride batteries, this big one over here, and we have NiCad batteries. Totally inadequate for the job. This happens to be a 3/8 drill. This happens to be a 1/2-inch drill, and I just kept on killing batteries. I'm not talking about just running them down. I wouldn't let them run flat, but just putting so many amps out of them, I would ruin the batteries. I got tired of it, charging batteries, having to buy $60 packs, so I finally took an old pack, and we plumbed it into 12-volt lead-acid battery. I was walking around with the jump start pack, this plumbed to it. I could work an entire day, not even, you could flatten the battery halfway. It works terrific. In this demonstration, I'm going to operate the drill, and I think it's 150 watt, or maybe it's 100 watt quartz, maybe it's 50 watt, I'm not sure how many watts it is, it's bright. I'm going to operate a quartz halogen spotlight and a drill directly off the generator of our light cycle, trying not to get tangled up in all these wires in the process. So anyway, here's a drill. Should have a third hand over here. I think we got it now. We got ourselves a spotlight. We got ourselves a drill. This drill even has clutch capabilities. Could do it all day. It works absolutely great. Much better than a hand crank drill. If I don't work that thing, this quartz halogen spotlight, I mean, it's absolutely great. It's 25 watts. I guess it's 50 watts. I'm putting out 50 watts right now. Anyway, quick demonstration. If you did charge up a battery pack, Anyway, this guy, you can work all day with it. Works no better than the Cycle Direct, but that is a really terrific thing. Anyway, thanks for watching this use of the light cycle for other than making light.